What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions on a refurbished iPhone XS that I bought for $365 from Amazon's renewed program. I will have a direct link in the description below as the prices do change often. And if you don't know what Amazon's renewed program is, it's basically the refurbished program, and they do offer a 90-day money back guarantee if you're not satisfied with your purchase. They also guarantee the device will have no cosmetic damage and will have at least 80% battery health. So we will definitely be verifying if both of those are true in this video. I have also unboxed an iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus from Amazon's renewed program in the past. I will go ahead and link both of those videos in the description below. Definitely go ahead and check those out. But other than that, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so this is the package it came in, nothing too fancy. It does feel like there is bubble wrap in here, which is a good sign. This should also come with a generic iPhone charger. But let's just go ahead and get right into it. And if you're wondering how the previous iPhone unboxings went, the iPhone 7 Plus was in awesome shape. It had 99% battery health and 0 cosmetic damage. The iPhone 7 did have some cosmetic damage. I will go ahead and show you guys that right now real quick if you haven't seen that video. Just a couple scuffs here and there, nothing too crazy, but it did have 79% battery health, so it was a little lower than expected. Still an awesome buy though. And yeah, inside the package we do get some bubble wrap, so it is protected in there. And then we also have just a plain white box here. We got some tape on the bottom, so we'll go ahead and cut that open real quick. So I've only had a regular iPhone 10 and a XS Max, never just a small XS. And then this is in the silver color, which I've never had a phone in silver either. Alright, so here we go. Went ahead and opened it right up. Here is the device itself. So this is definitely different than the past two iPhones that I've unboxed from Amazon's renewed program. They definitely didn't have this Apple-like plastic in the front. It's exactly how it looks when you get a brand new iPhone. So that's pretty legit there. Let's go ahead and see if we see any cosmetic damages. Honestly, I don't see anything right away. It looks brand new. Maybe a little right here at the top. It could just be some smudges. But this phone looks super sick. Okay, there's a little scratch there. I think, let me go ahead and get a microfiber so I can go ahead and wipe it down. Alright guys, so I went ahead and wiped it down. This is what it looks like. There is two main scratches right there. This one looks a little deeper. I could feel it with my fingernail. This one, just a bit, but not too bad. Still pretty impressed. The rest of the screen looks pretty amazing. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. You can definitely see that one that I'm talking about right there, and then the second one is just right next to it right here. It's more like a hairline scratch. But the rest of the phone looks, or the rest of the screen looks beautiful. The rest of the phone looks pretty awesome. There's some light scratches on the back, but nothing too crazy. I'd say it's in great shape. We're gonna go ahead and power it on and see the battery health. That's also a very important thing, obviously. And it's not. It looks like it's dead, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up, and then we'll go ahead and check that out in just a second. So while we're waiting for the iPhone to charge up, we're gonna go ahead and see what's in the box. Again, it just looks super Apple-like, except this is like a piece of styrofoam there. Here is the SIM ejector, so it does come with this SIM ejector. Like I don't know if I mentioned, it is a fully unlocked iPhone, a XS, 64 gigabytes. There is the SIM ejector, and then we have a couple boxes here. I'm not sure if those are anything, but here is the generic iPhone charger. Comes with a little plastic thing. Yeah, it doesn't look like nothing's inside of these. Oh, okay, yeah. So here is the charging brick. So just a regular charging brick. It does have some plastic on it, it looks like. It's pretty top notch, I'm not gonna lie. None of the other iPhones that I've unboxed from Amazon's renewed program had like any of that plastic wrap on it, on the charger, or even on the iPhone itself. The generic charger wasn't in a packet like this neither. It was just so low. If you watch those videos, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, here is the USB to lightning cable. So that's basically everything that comes in the box. Alright guys, so it looks like we're in. We're gonna go straight to settings. This phone is about to die. It's at 1%, so let's just go ahead and quickly check the battery health. And it is exactly at 80%, which I guess is expected. I was kind of hoping that it would be like at 90% or something a little bit better like the iPhone 7 Plus was. But again, I can't complain since it did have at least 80% like they said it would. But overall, I'd have to say this is a pretty decent device for $365. It did have 2 major scratches, and it did also have a couple other scratches right here at the top as well as the back. They're very light scratches, and to be honest, this has probably been one of the better unboxing experiences compared to the other 2 iPhones that I've unboxed, and obviously I think that has to do with the age of the phone. But let me know what you guys think of this iPhone XS from Amazon's renewed program. I think it was a good deal, and I'm going to continue to do these types of unboxings for you guys. But other than that, if you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.